today we are going to do a taste test. Now I was thinking, I think I'm going to do more taste tests on my channel because as gardeners, we're always out in our garden harvesting things, bringing them in, showing you guys exactly what we harvest. Sometimes we cook it up, but I love to do some tasting of my vegetables or whatever I'm growing outside because I love anything that is pickled. So the taste test today, is going to be pickled zucchini. If you are a lover of zucchini, I've never had pickled zucchini before, but I knew I grew a lot of it in my garden. So I said I have to find some ways to use all the zucchini. So I looked up a easy pickling recipe, a refrigerated one that you don't have to water bath can your pickled zucchinis. So this is easy and it's ready in 24 hours. So let's get this tasting started. So first I'm going to tell you exactly what ingredients I used in my brine and what I put in this jar. And look at this. It has all that garlic and all that goodness. And I love a strong dill flavor, so I put extra dill in mine. But look at all that. All that dill just floating around, looking all scrumptious with those peppercorns. So let me tell you what I put in the brine. I got it on my paper, so let's read it off. Alright, so for my brine, I used some distilled vinegar, 2/3 cup, and I used 1/3 cup of water, and 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can put more or less sugar. I just think 3 teaspoons is enough for me. And then in your jar, you're going to put 3 sprigs of dill. It could be the dill seed or it could be fresh dill from your garden. You're going to need 2 garlic cloves peeled, and then you're just going to drop them in the jar. And you're going to need 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. But let me show you what I found. You know where it says you use 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, you can go and find this pickling spice by McCormick, and it has all the peppercorns and all the seasonings that you need for pickling in this one jar. And this is what I use because I want mine to have a little extra kick to it. And so when I said the dill weed, if you don't have like sprigs of fresh dill, you can go ahead and use this dill weed. And look, and that's what it looked like. It's just a another form of dill. And I put an extra of this because it says here to put like 1 teaspoon. I put like 1 tablespoon for mine. All right, so, and then you need a pinch of red pepper to give that little extra spicy kick. So here we go. Are you guys ready to get this pickling tasting going? Because I know I am. I'm so excited about trying this pickled zucchini. So let's open it up. But first, before we do that, I should tell you the first ingredients that you need: the distilled vinegar, 1/3 cup of water, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. You put that in a pot and you get it all hot and bubbly, and everything are going to be dissolved. And then you're going to put your zucchini and stuff inside your jar, and you're going to put your cloves, your peppercorns, your dill, and then you're going to pour your brine over the top of your zucchini. But make sure that you warm up your jars because you don't want to put hot into a cold jar because that will crack your jar. So you want to, I usually run mine through like the dishwater, or I put them in a pot of hot water to get them hot, and then I take them out, and then I put all my contents and stuff in it, and then I pour my brine in it, put the top, wipe the rim off with some vinegar, put the top on, put it in the refrigerator, and 24 hours later, baby, you are ready to enjoy your refrigerated pickle zucchini. All right, enough about all that. You guys know exactly how to make it. So the purpose of this video is to taste the zucchini. I can't wait. So let's get to tasting. Got my fork ready and we are going in. If you guys can see that, you see all that pickle brine in there. I love it. So let's get some and I'll show you what it looks like. Look how you have all that dill on there. That's how I like to pull my pickles out, with a whole bunch of dill. But these are dill zucchini, so let's give it a taste. Excuse my fingers because that's what I'm going to use. Here we go. I've just bit down on the peppercorn. I like a lot of dill. And this, if I didn't know this was a zucchini, this tastes just like a pickle. Has that crunch to it. All the spices and stuff have absorbed into the zucchini, and it tastes amazing. It tastes so good that Miss Renee is going in for our second one. And I'm going to take all these peppercorns and stuff off of here, because I don't think we want to be crunching on no peppercorns. All right, here we go. Wow, look at all the juice dropping off of there. Tastes so good, you guys. I highly recommend you guys try pickling some zucchini and cater this recipe to your liking. If you don't like a lot of dill, don't put a lot of dill in there. You don't like a lot of peppercorn and the red pepper that gives you the kick, because trust and believe, this zucchini right here got a serious kick to it. And you know Miss Renee doesn't do like super hot, so instead of putting a little pinch, I put a little small little pinch into my jar. All right, you guys, let me know if you tried this recipe. Let me know what your thoughts and stuff are down in the comments. Trust and believe, these things are addicting. I even see this, putting this like on a, you know, on a sandwich, in a salad, eating them by themselves, cutting them up, maybe put it in tuna. This, or maybe even in some potato salad, because you know that potato salad has like that dill flavor. So there is a lot of good uses for this pickled zucchini. Alright guys, I hope you try it. And please don't forget to let me know what you think about pickled zucchini, or if you have some other things that you have tried, recipes with your pickled zucchini, or just zucchini in general. Let your girl know. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and Miss Renee will check you out in the next video. Alright guys, take care.